welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Siddhi and I'm a cabin crew. So in today's video I'm going to discuss with you all how to get ready for the cabin crew interview day. Guys, in one of my video I've shared with you all how to do cabin crew interview day makeup. But in today's video I'm going to discuss with you all how to get ready for the cabin crew interview day. It will include from top to toe, like from hairs till the legs, like from everything, be it outfits, hairstyle, accessories, makeup, everything I'm going to discuss in this video. So if you have not watched my previous video, that is how to get ready for the cabin crew like how to do cabin crew interview day makeup, if you have not watched, please go and check that out. If you have not seen the requirements to become a cabin crew, go and check that out as well. And if you have not seen the advantages and disadvantages, so go and check out that as well. And if you have not seen what are the documents you require for the cabin crew interview day, go and check that out as well. Why I'm going to tell you to check all these videos, because this all are like interconnected. First you need to know the requirements, and then you need to know some inside thing, that is advantage and disadvantages, then the documents, then how to do makeup, everything, and then you can go for the interview. So it's like how to get ready for the interview day. So yes guys, without any further ado, let's just get began with the video. Number one, we are going to start with the hairs, guys. So yes, if you have a long hair, then you have to tie the bun. But always remember guys, before going for any airline interview, make sure to check their career page, in which they have mentioned that whether they want you to make a bun or not. Because there are some airlines, for example GoAir, then AirAsia, and then SpiceJet, in which bun is completely not allowed for the interview. Only in Indigo and Vistara you can make a bun, but for the GoAir and SpiceJet, AirAsia, the bun is completely not allowed. So if you have a small hair, like something which is like this much, then you have to straighten the hair, adjust it properly, make a neat and clean partition, and you can open your hair and go for the interview. If you have a hair till shoulder length, then it's completely fine to open your hair and go for the interview day. If you are going with the open hair, make sure to iron your hair, like to straighten your hair. No curly hairs or wavy hairs or without any texture. It should look completely neat and clean, because when you open your hair, it is like a little bit difficult to manage it. So make sure you completely apply a proper hair gel, hairspray, or whatever you want to apply on your hairs, but you go completely with a straight hair and it should look neat and clean. And now if you have a long hair like mine, so you have to make a ponytail. Like when I went for the interview, I did a ponytail because bun is not allowed, as I said, in some of the airlines. So for the ponytail also, it is very important to make some or the other hairstyle from the front. Like I did small puff with the twisties over here. So you can do something hairstyle with something looks like this. You can do exactly this hairstyle as well. Make sure to come to your hairstyle should look neat and clean like mine. Your baby hair should not come out from anywhere, from sides, from the back side, or from the forehead area. You can use the hair gel, or you can use the aloe vera gel to settle your hair, or either you can use the water or oil mix and you can set your hair. Remember, before entering to the interview room, you again give it a touch up. While going from the home, you will make your hair definitely, but before going to the interview room, make sure you give it a touch up to your hair. Your ponytail also should look complete straight, no wavy, no curly ponytail. So yes guys, need to be very careful with the hair. It should look completely settled, like neat and clean. So next up, if you need to tie a bun, then also you need to use a proper hair net. I will post a picture somewhere here, the hairnet picture which you need to use. Make sure to use a donut, the round one. I will post a picture again over here of the donut, and some TikTok pins and U pins to make a bun very neatly. It should look neat guys. So yes, that's it for the hair. As I told you, what are the products you need to use for the hairs and everything. So yes, next up is the makeup, guys. Makeup, the most important thing. Remember guys, the way you will present there is all going to be visible from your hair and your makeup. Makeup, I have already made a video how to do a cabin crew interview day makeup. I will put the link down in the description box. If you have not seen, go and watch now. In that video I've discussed each and everything, how you need to do makeup, shades and everything. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, go and follow me there. You can check there because there I have uploaded interview day dress code pictures, the shades of the eyeshadow, blush and everything which you can use for the interview. So make sure to do a proper makeup as I've shown in my that video. So next up is the earrings, guys. You need to wear a pearl earrings which look something like this. I will post a picture over here which look only a pearl earring, no other gold earring or anything. I will say just avoid the gold earring or anything. Pearl earring is all the perfect, like perfect earring. So you have to wear the pearl earrings. The pearl size should be a small like this and not a big one pearls which we get in the market, not that one, the small size pearl earring. So now next up is the neck, guys. Neck, do not wear any type of thread on the neck जो हम भगवान के धागे पहनते हैं. Please don't wear the thread on the neck, guys. No pearl string. I saw many girls wearing pearl string on the interview day. Completely not allowed. No pearl string, no thread, no gold chain, silver chain, any chain. Nothing is allowed in the neck. Make sure your neck is completely like plain. No, don't wear anything on the neck. Next up is your shirt. Make sure to wear a shirt only which has a mostly cotton material, I will suggest, and a thick cotton material. Anyways, I will make a video what to wear on the interview day. So yes, in that I will discuss in a detail, but right now I will tell you, you can wear a shirt, a cotton shirt with a little thick material. Don't wear a very thin shirt which is completely transparent. I have seen girls wearing that coming on the interview. It's looking totally so disgusting. No need to wear such clothes. Wear a thick shirt. Make sure to wear your cloth after you do your makeup, because otherwise there is a chance of spoiling your shirt which will not look good. So yes, clothes should be properly ironed, shirt should be properly ironed, no crease or anything. Next up, your hands, guys. Hands, make sure you do your proper waxing of your hands. Make sure to wear a half sleeve shirt, no full sleeves, because interviewer might ask you to roll up your sleeves and they might check your hands for the scars or anything. If you have not seen the requirement video, go and watch that out, because on that video I have discussed everything about scars, so you can check that out. So interviewer might ask you to roll up your sleeves and check, and that will really make will be difficult to roll up your sleeves and do everything. It's better to wear a half sleeve shirt. And before going for any airline, make sure to check their career page to see their requirements, because most of the airlines will ask you to wear a half sleeve shirt. They have written on their career page on the requirements side, like you need for the dress code half sleeve shirt, so wear a half sleeve shirt. And wax your hands, guys, properly. Don't go like that only, so hairy and everything. I don't want to say, but I hope you guys will understand that. So yes, wax your hands completely. Wear a watch which looks something like this, guys. I will post a picture somewhere over here on the screen. What type of watch you need to wear. So wear a watch, professional watch. No diamond should be there in your watch, guys. A plain normal watch, black, brown or a silver colored chain, like a silver chain wala watch. No any other colors of watches. And for the ring, guys, in both the hands you can wear one ring, but no diamond rings or anything. As per like my suggestion will be, don't avoid wearing rings on the day of your interview day. It is completely not allowed to wear rings, but you can wear rings in both the hands, one ring. But if you will not wear, that will really look good. So next up is your nails. For the nails, you can use red, pink or pearl white nail color. Make sure your nail paint should match your lipstick and eyeshadow, and for a safer side you can go with a pearl white nail color. I have did a pearl white nail paint only, but for the SpiceJet I will suggest you to do a red color nail paint. It will really look good because their theme is something like red, hot, spicy. So it will really look good. For the SpiceJet you can do a red color nail paint, but for any other, I will say for safer side, go with the pearl white. It will look really nice. Nail lengths should be equal, like all the nail lengths should be equal, no big small nails. Like again, my advice will be, you just cut your nails and go. That will look more clean, neat and clean, and that will make a little bit safe while you may wear your stockings. So yes, make sure to cut your nails and go, otherwise all nail lengths should be equal. All the nail colors, like on each and every nails, the nail paint should be in one color only. Like whatever the color you apply, it should be in one color, no any other different colors of nail paints on each and every nails, no, one color nail paint. So next up is, we'll go with the skirt. With a skirt, you have to wear a black color pencil fit skirt, only a black color, which should have a sleek from the back. I have posted a picture on my Instagram. If you are not following me, go and follow there. You can check out there what type of skirt you need to wear. It should be a black color pencil fit skirt. Remember guys, you have to wear a skirt, no trousers, pants are allowed. I know there are some restrictions for the girls not to wear a skirt from their like house, घर पे allow नहीं करते, I know, but explain them that it is compulsory. And if you go and check the interview website as well, they have written over there they need you to wear a skirt. So you have to wear a skirt guys, black color pencil fit, which should have a slit from the back side and not in the front or in the side, only slit in the back side. Next up, you need to wear a stockings guys, black color stockings or a skin color. Let me tell you, for the SpiceJet, wear a skin color stocking. For the Indigo and GoAir, for the Indigo and GoAir, wear a black color stockings. For AirAsia, again a skin color stockings, and for the Vistara also a skin color stockings. This is all as per my knowledge I'm telling you guys. So yes, this type of your stocking should also be very thin and not a thick one guys. दो type का stocking आता है, जो एकदम मोटा वाला material रहता है, which is very thick one. Don't wear a thick stockings, wear a thin stockings. It will look more professional. Make sure to carry an extra pair of stockings on the day of your interview. So by chance while you are traveling or at that point somewhere or the other time, अगर आपकी stockings कहीं से torn हो गए, because stockings are very delicate. Those who are wearing, those who are, जिसको मेरे stockings के बारे में कुछ पता होगा, जिसने कभी stockings देखी होगी, नहीं देखी तो मैं यहाँ पे पिक्चर एक अपलोड कर दूंगी. So you must be knowing that कि stockings बहुत ही ज़्यादा पतला रहता है, आपके nails भी लगने से टूट, like वो फट जाता है literally. इसीलिए that's why I told you to cut your nails. I'm telling you guys to carry your extra pair of stockings with you. So if any chance, if anything happens, you can easily change your stockings. So yes. And next up is the shoes. Again a black color closed toe shoes. I will post a picture over here, and मैंने मेरे Instagram पे भी उसकी picture upload कर दी already. So go and check that out and follow me there please. So yes, you need to wear a black color closed toe, some like 2 or 3 inches of heels should be there. No flats are allowed. No sandals, chappals, shoes like sneakers वगैरह पहन के मत जाना. जो पर्टिकुलर एक शूज़ है वही पहन के जाने हैं. एंड इट शुड हैव अ 2 or 3 inch ऑफ हील्स. इट इज़ वेरी कंपल्सरी गाइज. सो येस, ये सारी बातों का आपको ध्यान रखना है. इन लेग्स ऑल्सो मेक श्योर टू वैक्स योर लेग्स. डोंट वेयर एनी थ्रेड ऑन योर लेग्स एज वेल. गाइज यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि पैर में तो हम स्टॉकिंग्स पहन रहे हैं तो क्या दिखेगा, बाल है कि नहीं, लाइक हमने वैक्स किया है कि नहीं, बट इट विल बी क्लियरली विजिबल बिकॉज एज आई सेड यू हैव टू वेयर अ थिन स्टॉकिंग्स विच इज नेक्स्ट टू ट्रांसपेरेंट स्टॉकिंग्स. सो it's just to look presentable. Stocking is just to look, make your legs look presentable and थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिखे, इसकी वजह से होती है. So it is not going to cover your hairs, so you need to wax your hairs. You don't wear any thread on the hands, neck, legs. कहीं पे भी कोई भी धागे मत पहन के जाना, ठीक है. So yes guys, this is all how you have to go for the interview. Guys, again important thing is your hair and your makeup, like how you are going to groom yourself. Grooming is the most important for this job. For the makeup, please watch my video and follow the steps in which I have discussed with you all, like how you have to do your makeup and everything, how to go for the interview. This is the video guys, please follow the steps. This is all as per my experience and my knowledge and whatever I've seen in the interviews. This is what I'm sharing with you guys. Make sure to follow all the steps yes, and you will clear your interview definitely. Yes guys, don't forget to carry the folder. I have already discussed what type of folder you need in my documents video, so go and watch that out, so you will get idea what type of folder you need. You need to carry one handbag which should be in a black or a brown color. Guys, black and brown colors are professional colors which is like completely allowed, and it looks more presentable and goes with each and every clothes, like what are the clothes you wear, like colors. Okay, so it go with that, so that's why I'm recommending you to wear a black to carry a black or a brown color handbag and a folder. Remember, your folder and the handbag color should match each other. Like if you are carrying a black color folder, then your handbag should be black, brown then brown. Okay, so yes guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you will like my video, and soon I'm going to make a video on what type of clothes you need to wear for the interview day. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you will like this video, and if you did, then you know you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video so we can help each other. Follow me on my Instagram as well, so that you will get a notification, like you will get some of the other updates there. I usually post videos related to makeup and everything. So yes guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Love you all. Bye bye.